Dear students and viewers, welcome to DC Digital Learning Program, in which we are going to discuss so many topics by using these video lectures. Here I am going to deal with one of the elective paper comes under third sem physics under Mangalore University. In that it is a third session. Here we are going to discuss one of the important passive electronic component, that is capacitor, and different types of capacitors, properties, and or the factors of depends on the capacitor capacitance value, etc. We are going to discuss in this video. Basically, what is a capacitor? It is just a passive element, passive electronic component. And what is the use of it? Capacitor is a device that stores electrical charges, thereby storing energy. That is the use of the capacitor. Its ability to store the capacitor's charges is called capacity of a capacitor. The SI unit of a capacity is farad basically. Capital F is the symbol, or if you write in words, it starts from a small f, that is farad. It is the SI unit of capacitance of a capacitor. Let us consider a parallel plate capacitor. There are so many types. Just for the time being, we are going to use that parallel plate capacitor. It consists basically of two parallel plates. They are rectangular in shape, separated by a small distance. In between them, there is a medium. Basically, it is an insulator or vacuum, or sometimes it may be air. So that is the basic structure or basic design of a capacitor, and we take two ends of the plates for the connection purpose in any circuit. So the if that is the arrangement, then what are the factors that a capacitance of a capacitor depends? First thing is area of the plates. If it is here it is we are taking it is parallel plate. Area of each plate plays an important role in increasing the capacitance value. Distance between the plates is also plays an important role. And type of dielectric material that we use in between the two plates, that plays an important role again. And temperature. These are the four factors that determines the capacitance of a capacitor, particularly for the case of parallel plate capacitor. Types of dielectric material. Basically, dielectric material we use in between the two capacitor plates, and it helps in storing the electrical charges. The ability of a dielectric material to discharge and to store energy is indicated by dielectric constant. Usually we require the dielectric material with high dielectric constant value. For the air we use dielectric constant value is 1. Mica often used as a dielectric that has dielectric constant approximately 5 times that of air. Temperature plays less importance in determining the capacitance of a capacitor. We don't use in most of the case the dependence of temperature. Types of capacitor. First is ceramic capacitor. Ceramic dielectrics provide very high dielectric constants. Comparatively high capacitance values can be achieved in a small physical size. These discs are made by using ceramic as an insulator with a silver deposit on each side of the plates. These are used for small values of capacitance, and an ordinary TV set might contain several dozens in its circuitry mica capacitors. Mica capacitors is another type. Electrolytic capacitor is very important. Electrolytic capacitors are polarized so that one plate is positive and other negative. These capacitors are used for high capacitance values up to over 22 lakh picofarad, but they have relatively low breakdown voltages and high amounts of leakage. Variable capacitors are used in a circuit when there is a need to adjust a capacitance value either manually or automatically. For example, in radio and TV tuners, we use variable capacitors. Air capacitors, variable capacitor with air as the dielectric medium, that is the meaning of air capacitor, are sometimes used as tuning capacitors in applications requiring frequency selection. This type of capacitors is constructed with several plates that mesh together. One set of plates can be more relative to the other, thus changing the effective plate area and the capacitance. Trimmers and padders. These adjustable capacitors normally have screwdriver adjustment and are used for very fine adjustment in a circuit. Varactor is a semiconductor device that exhibits a capacitance characteristic which is varied by changing the voltage across its terminals. And this is about some information regarding capacitors that is required. Let us discuss some multiple choice questions. Capacitance of a parallel plate air capacitor does not depend on A. Thickness of the conducting plate. Yes, it depends on the thickness of the conducting plate. Charge on the conducting plate. It doesn't depend on the charge on the conducting plates, so the option is B. And again, area of the conducting plate, it depends. Distance of separation between the conducting plates, yes, it depends. Capacitor is a device used to store electrical energy, vary the resistance, store magnetic energy, dissipate energy. It stores electrical energy. Capacitor stores which type of energy? Kinetic energy, B. Vibrational energy, C. Potential energy, D. Heat energy. It stores potential energy. For which medium capacitance is high? Air, mica, water and metal. It is maximum for metal. So this is about the details of the topic. For further details, you can refer Fundamentals of Physics by Hallett and Resnick. Thank you.